this is, Smooka. Yeah, he's in charge now.
Hi everyone. In today's video, we're learning English from Luca. I'll explain everything in a simple way. So stick around till the end. Let's jump in.
Where do boats come from?
The land monster town, just above the surface. I beat a guy at cards there once.
I beat a guy at cards there once. Beat someone at something means to win against someone in a game, sport, or competition. We use it when we want to talk about winning against someone, either as a past experience or in general. It's very common in everyday conversation. In the movie Luca, Grandma Paguro says, "I beat a guy at cards there once." She says this while having lunch with Luca's family. She means, "I once won a card game against a man in the human world." She's showing that she has experience and isn't afraid, unlike the other family members. Everyday examples. I beat my friend at chess last week. She beat her brother at tennis yesterday. We beat them at soccer during the school tournament.
You've been to the surface and done the change?
No, the end. Shut it down.
Shut it down. Shut it down means to stop something completely or close it. We use it when we want something to end immediately, like a machine, an event, or a discussion. In Luca, Luca's mom yells, "No, the end! Shut it down!" She means, stop this conversation or idea right now. She's serious and wants Luca to stop being curious. Everyday examples. Shut the computer down before leaving. The manager said shut it down after the meeting got out of control. Let's shut the party down. It's getting late.
I was just curious.
Yeah, well, the curious fish gets caught.
The curious fish gets caught. Before we start, here's something interesting. When you hear the curious fish gets caught, it might sound like a normal sentence, but actually, it's a funny version of a very famous English proverb. That famous proverb is, "Curiosity killed the cat." So the movie is playing with this well-known expression and changing it to match the ocean world. The original proverb is, "Curiosity killed the cat." It means that being too curious can get you into trouble. We use this proverb when warning someone that asking too many questions or being nosy might cause problems. In Luca, Luca's mom says, "The curious fish gets caught." She says this right after Luca says, "I was just curious." So she repeats the word curious on purpose and turns it into a warning. She doesn't say curiosity killed the cat because the movie takes place in the ocean and all the characters are sea creatures. By saying fish instead of cat, it matches the world of the story, but the meaning stays the same. Everyday examples using the original proverb. Don't peek into someone's private emails. Curiosity killed the cat. Ask too many questions about that secret project, and remember, curiosity killed the cat. Be careful online. Curiosity killed the cat if you share too much personal information.
We do not talk, think, discuss, contemplate, or go anywhere near the surface.
Contemplate. Contemplate means to think deeply about something. We use it when someone is considering or reflecting on an idea, a problem, or a choice. In Luca, Luca's mom says, "We do not talk, think, discuss, contemplate, or go anywhere near the surface." She uses contemplate to emphasize that Luca shouldn't even think about going near the surface. Everyday examples. I need some time to contemplate my next move. She sat quietly to contemplate the meaning of life. He contemplated changing jobs before making a decision.
Okay, everyone, this is, Smooka. Yeah, he's in charge now.
He's in charge now. In charge means to be responsible for something or to be the leader in a situation. It means you are the one who makes decisions. We use in charge when someone has control or responsibility over a group, project, or situation. In this scene, Luca is supposed to be watching a group of small fish, but he really wants to go to the surface. So he builds a fake version of himself out of rocks and names it Smooka. In reality, Luca is trying to trick his parents and secretly escape. He says he's in charge now. Got it? So here, in charge means the one responsible or the leader. Everyday examples. Who's in charge of this project? She's in charge while the manager is on vacation. I'm in charge of dinner tonight. If someone is in charge, they are the boss in that moment. They are responsible. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for staying with me till the end of the video. If you want to keep learning English with Luca, tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.